Hello YouTube, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial truck sales, service, and secure truck parking. Today, we're going to look at what a wholesale to the public truck looks like on a 2017 Ford E350. This truck has a Supreme 16-foot cargo box with translucent roof and tie-down rails. It also has an aluminum loading ramp and tow package. Under the hood is a 6.8-liter V10 gas engine with 157,000 miles. The cabin has a cold AC and comes with a third-person jump seat. If you've enjoyed this content, please hit like and subscribe and watch it like 40 more times. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.